And I forgot I had two more slides I wanted to talk to you about adding and subtracting for 2. Going to do them real quick. You can set these things up vertically. Remember, when you're adding like terms, you're just adding the coefficients. If there's no coefficient in front of it, it's a little, there is a coefficient there, just doesn't say, it's just 1. So you can write the 1 in, or just remember that it's 1. So sometimes you can line these babies up vertically and just add up all the like terms. All these A's are like each other, so let's add all the A's together. 3 minus 1 is 2 A's, right? So if I have 3 A's, I take away 1 A. Remember what 3A is. This is A plus A plus A. Minus 1A minus A. Minus 2 more A's. Now I'm down to 0. I had 3 A's, I minus 3 A's. Add 1 more A, I end up with A. Make sense? 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2 is 0. Plus 1 ends up with 1A. I have 7 B's, negative 7 B's. Add 4 B's, down up to negative 3 B's. Plus B, negative 2 B's. Negative 5, negative 7 B's. So I'm just adding the coefficients. Negative 5 and 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 and negative 7 is negative 11. Negative 11 and positive 2 is negative 9C. And here I'm just these are called the constant terms. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Plus 2 is 1. Minus 1 is 0. So I end up with just this right here. A minus 7B minus 9C. Finally, this is one last little thing here. The degree of a variable in a monomial is simply the number of times it occurs as a factor. So the degree of this, x, is 2. It's a second degree. This m is a third degree, right? But the monomial itself also has a degree. And the degree of monomial is the sum of the degrees of its variables. So this guy, this was 2, and this was 3. So this whole monomial here, the degree of this would be 5. Here we have x squared. This is degree 2. This is of degree 1. There's a little 1 there. Little 1 here. This is degree 1. 2, 3, 4. So this monomial will be of degree 4. But the degree of a polynomial is the greatest of the degrees of its terms. So you look at all of its terms after it's been simplified, and I'll give you an example why that's important. But let's see this guy. X, this is degree 3. This is degree 1. So this term is of degree 4. This is of degree 3. This is of degree 5. So the greatest one, right? The greatest degree is 5. So this whole polynomial, we could say it's a degree 5 polynomial, or 5th degree polynomial. Now, why do we want to simplify it here first? Because if you walk straight up to this, you might say, okay, this is degree 4, 3, 4. So I'll say this whole thing's of degree 4. But watch what happens when I simplify it. If I look at the like terms. I have a positive 4x squared y squared and a negative 4x squared y squared. These guys cancel out. Look at this. Negative 3x squared y, positive 3x squared y. Cancel out. What do I end up with? 2x. So actually this whole thing was what kind of degree? A first degree polynomial. Never would have guessed that, would you? Have a nice day.